my lovely Peppa readers, welcome back. Today I brought you Peppa Pig, Peppa's 1, 2, 3 counting box to read with you. Let's see. Here we go, the first book. It's called 1, 2, 3 Go. Let's read. Peppa and her friends are having a race. They start on the lake. How many fish are following them? Splash! Yes, it's a 1. Let's go, shouts Peppa. Can you count the boats? There are 2 boats here. Danny Dog joins the boat race. Oh, hoy there, Peppa, he cries. Look out for the ducks. Can you count the ducks? 1, quack, 2, quack, 3, quack. There are 3 ducks. Now everyone is riding their bikes in the park. How many butterflies are there? There are 1, 2, 3 and 4 butterflies. I am racing too, calls Pedro Pony. Can you count the bikes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 bikes. The football pitch is too muddy for bikes. Time to run. Wait for me, cries Rebecca Rabbit. How many children are there? Count the muddy puddles too. Let's count the children first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 children. And now count the muddy puddles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. There are 7 muddy puddles. Here are the finish line. Can you count all the water bottles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. There are 8 water bottles. How many children are in the race now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. There are 9 children in the race. And the winner is, begins Madame Gazelle. Everyone, declares Madame Gazelle. Hooray! What a lot of shiny trophies. How many can you see there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. There are 10 trophies there. It's very fun to read with Peppa and his friends. Let's see you again with another counting book. Till then, love you all. Bye bye.
BookTube Kids.